What's up, Z Fold fam? Welcome back. Did you know you're 30% more likely to drop your phone in the first 3 months of owning it? Now imagine dropping a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, a device that costs more than some used cars. Yeah, heart attack waiting to happen. But don't panic. We've got the ultimate, fully loaded guide to the must-have accessories that will protect your investment and take your Fold to the next level. From military-grade cases that can survive a tank to keyboards that turn your Fold into a pocket-sized laptop, we're counting down the top 8 essentials you need right now. Stick around. Our number 1 pick literally does 4 things at once. Let's dive in. All links are in the description, so check them out after the video. 8. HelloDeere Full Body Case. The tank of protection. For anyone treating their Z Fold 7 like the $1,800 device it is, the HelloDeere case is the ultimate defense. This isn't a flimsy shell. It's full-body, hinge-inclusive. Protection that outshines basic Samsung cases. Unlike thin cases like the later case, which leave the hinge exposed, the HelloDeere protects every angle, including a sliding hinge cover doubling as a camera shield. Drop resistance? Excellent. Luxurious leather texture? Check. Integrated kickstand? Solid for media viewing, whether folded or unfolded. Yes, it's bulkier than minimalist options, but for clumsy hands, business travelers, or frequent flyers, that trade-off is pure peace of mind. Are you a protection-first person, or do you prefer your Fold sleek and naked? Drop a comment. I want to know. 7. voppton 4-in-1. Travel Productivity Set, the portable office. If your Z Fold 7 is meant to replace a tablet, or even a laptop, you need the voppton 4-in-1 set. It's a mini workstation, Bluetooth keyboard, wireless mouse, adjustable leather stand, and capacitive pen, all in one. Compared to a standalone keyboard like Logitech Keys to Go, voppton gives you an entire productivity suite for a similar price. The leather stand offers multiple stable angles. The mouse gives laptop-like precision, and the pen covers basic note-taking. Trade-offs? Keys are a bit cramped, and the pen isn't pressure-sensitive. But for business travelers or students juggling emails, spreadsheets, and documents on the go, this is a game-changer. Do you use DeX mode? Let me know your must-have app combos below. 6. CACOE Camera Lens Protector. The Clear Shield. The Z Fold 7's camera module is massive and expensive, and the CACOE protector ensures it stays scratch-free. Made with 9H tempered glass and an aluminum alloy frame, it covers the entire camera bump. Unlike ring-style protectors that leave the edges exposed, the glossy black frame matches the Fold perfectly, maintaining the factory look, while the anti-fingerprint glass keeps photo quality pristine. Minimal thickness, simple installation, and total peace of mind, especially if your case lacks a raised camera lip. Ever cracked a lens? Hit that like button if that's you. 5. Milomdoi 9-in-1. Screen Protector Kit. The ultimate spare tire. The inner foldable display and outer cover screen are the 2 things Z Fold owners stress about most. The Milomdoi 9-in-1 kit solves that, giving you 3 inner films, 3 outer tempered glasses, and 3 lens protectors, multiple spares, bubble-free alignment frames, and durable fold-friendly inner films mean you can cover all surfaces with minimal risk. Compared to kits like Spigginglass.tr, Milomdoi delivers more coverage at better value. Caveat: replacing Samsung's pre-installed inner film is delicate and could affect your warranty. But if you want the smartest, most complete protection for your Fold, this is it. What's the hardest tech accessory you've ever installed? Share below. 4. voppton 3-in-1. Wireless charging station. The traveler's hub cables everywhere? The voppton 3-in-1 cleans up your nightstand or travel bag. It charges your Z Fold, Galaxy Watch, and Galaxy Buds in one compact foldable station. Multi-coil design ensures reliable charging upright or flat. Compared to Samsung's Duo Pad, It's more portable and space-saving, though fastest charging requires a separate 20-watt adapter, and the Galaxy Buds charge via cable, not wirelessly. If you prioritize compact, all-in-one convenience over pure speed, this is a must-have for travelers. Do you charge overnight or need max speed? Comment your style. 3. MOBOSI case with MagSafe and privacy screen. The multi-tool next up is MOBOSI, a case packed with features. Full body protection, a sliding hinge guard, built-in privacy screen, and MagSafe compatibility. It lets you use MagSafe mounts, wallets, and chargers, something HelloDeere and others can't do. Compared to TONGATE, it's slightly less rugged but perfect for commuters or privacy-conscious users. Trade-off? Bulk and slight dimming of the front screen. For anyone wanting protection, plus magnetic accessory convenience, plus privacy, this is the sweet spot. MagSafe on Android, game changer or gimmick? Comment below. 2. Fotbor E PU Inner Screen Protector. 2-pack. The invisible backup. For perfectionists, the Fotbor 2-pack keeps the inner display pristine. Made of self-healing EPU, minor scratches disappear over time, and it's case-friendly for full coverage with minimal lifting. Compared to Milomdoi's inner film, Fotbor offers superior resilience and touch sensitivity. Installation is high stakes, dust-free environment needed, but for owners replacing factory film or seeking a long-lasting flexible solution, it's the most effective inner screen protection out there. Brave enough to replace your own inner screen protector? Say yes or no in the comments. 1. TONGATE rugged case with privacy, and belt clip, the Commander, and the crown jewel, the TONGATE case. Military-grade drop defense, privacy screen, automatic hinge protector, sliding camera cover, integrated kickstand, and a detachable belt clip. This is the ultimate Z Fold 7 accessory. Compared to MOBOSI or HelloDeere, it adds unmatched utility and ruggedness, ready to survive anything you throw at it. Trade-off? It's bulky and heavy, sacrificing sleekness for total security. Ideal for field workers, travelers, or anyone who can't risk a drop, this is the ultimate all-in-one protection and utility package. Which accessory could you never live without? Outro. And that's it. The 8 absolute must-have accessories to protect and supercharge your Galaxy Z Fold 7. Whether you want sleek minimalism or tank-level protection, there's something here for everyone. If this guide helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more fold tips, and tell me in the comments which accessory is going on your shopping list first. Links are in the description. Go check them out.